the census reports. So let's start there. Culturally, we do not count heads. There are spiritual things involved with that. Culturally, we don't count heads. But in the Western world, they do. And when they don't have a numerical value for something, they take it as no value at all. Also, when they do have numerical values at times, they can use it to either provide resources there or set up a systematic approach where they deny resources there. I'm speaking from experience as someone who has been engaged in the political arena that I despise. I despise politics, but I have to be engaged in it to ensure that my community isn't denied the resources anymore, but that my community is resourced. And that community being the Gullah Geechee Nation from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, and 30 to 35 miles inland to the St. Johns River. I bring this up when I bring up the census because having served as a federal expert commissioner for the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Corridor, I was an inaugural member, but I was the person that got that ball rolling, one might say, and worked with Congressman James Clyburn for 9 years of my life to get that passed. One of the key questions was, how many of them are there? My thing was, what difference does it make if we already told you what our needs are? You don't necessarily need to count our heads, or are you trying to count us out? So with this census, we have an opportunity to set a precedent, because if you complete the census before they shut it down this month, you need to indicate you are native Gullah Geechee on that form. That way, in the future, when somebody asks, oh, about Gullah Geechee people, they can go in historic records. The next person doing genealogy, when you dead and gone, when I'm dead and gone, they will find in the historical record, not Negro, not Black, not African-American, not Afro-American, but Gullah Geechee. That could make a crucial difference in the future.